Hey, this is Ryan with Covingtons Nursery. If you've ever tried digging in our tough clay Texas soil, then you'll know it's just terrible. A lot of plants find it terrible too, especially if it hasn't been amended properly. That's why about 15 years ago, my dad met with the experts at Texas A&M. That sound right, Dad?
That's correct.
Okay, and they told us that three main things were missing from our Texas soil. The first was expanded shale. Dad, why do we add that?
Expanded shale actually retains its weight and water, and it also, once it gets in the ground, it uses the Earth's natural vibration to literally cut up this heavy clay soil.
That sounds fantastic. The next, it was this Texas green sand they said to add.
Texas green sand is a natural acidifier that's found in the hill country, and that is something we direly need in this heavy black clay soil.
It's
it
alkaline.
lacks acidity.
Okay. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this cotton burr compost. Dad, why do we add that?
Cotton burr compost feeds our plants. It's a decomposed cotton burr shucks from the cotton plant, and it lends nutrients over a long period of time for our plants.
So our soil was missing three things. Well, we took those three things, put them in one bag, and called it Covington Soil Builder. Dad, what do we do with Covington Soil Builder?
You mix it into your soil when you're planting your plants. First you'll dig your hole, you'll set your plant in the hole, and you mix it with 50-50 native soil and soil builder together.
Half of this, half of the existing soil, and then you're gonna have happy, healthy plants.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Let's grow together.
Let's grow together.
Let's sit down and take a little nap and then grow together.
Hey there. So, as you can see, I'm in the process, well, the very early stages of building a house. And I'll be honest with you, there are days that the guys come out here and I see them working, but I have no idea what it is they're actually doing. You know, I know, don't get me wrong, I know what I want the house to ultimately look like, but there are many steps along the way, the process, that I'm a little hazy on. And it occurred to me, that must be how most people feel about landscaping. They know what they want their yard to look like. In the end, they know what goal they're trying to achieve, but they might not know how to go about getting there. And that's why it's so important to have a designer and a plan. That designer is going to be thinking about things like sun and shade issues. They're thinking about how big those plants and trees are ultimately going to get into the future. And they're solving things like drainage issues and grade level changes, all while still ultimately striving towards that goal, that look that y'all talked about. I would have never started all of this without a plan, and so I recommend that you don't start your landscape journey without a plan either.